What's up, everybody? Justin here at Beckley's RVs. We're going to look at the Micro Mini by Winnebago. This is the 1708 FB, which stands for front bed. This is an excellent small size travel trailer. The biggest benefit to this model is the fact that it has tandem axles. It means that there are 4 tires on the ground rather than 2. Traditionally, when you buy this length of a trailer, you're going to almost always have a single axle trailer. Now, these tandem axles are going to give you a better ride quality. It's also going to be much easier to back this thing up. So I'm going to get into a couple quick details on it, give you an overview, and if you guys happen to like it, reach out to me here at the dealership. Look forward to chatting with you soon. So tons of features here. First off, you got a power tongue jack. You also have 2 30-pound propane tanks with their own cover. Traditionally, most trailers are going to give you just 2 20-pound propane tanks. Now, this is a Winnebago, and it does come with a 3-year structural warranty. This is leading class, one of the best within the industry. Now, in a small trailer like this, you're traditionally lacking storage. Not with this trailer. This is absolutely massive. Now, this is a very unique feature. You also happen to have some solar that's up top there on the roof. That's going to help trickle charge your 12-volt batteries, which will provide you 12-volt power for longer. That's gonna be great for those of you that wanna go boondocking or off the grid. Now, you're buying a trailer like this because hopefully you're camping, which means you're gonna be outside most of the time. It comes equipped with a propane quick connect. This connects right up to those 30-pound tanks I just showed you, which means you can hook up a portable gas grill and to be able to enjoy the outdoors. Now, as you can see, this is a rear entrance model. The nice thing is they have 3 solid entrance steps to go right inside. But before we get inside, also take a look at the size of the awning. You're gonna have some considerable space out here to be able to also enjoy that weather we were just talking about earlier. And one awesome thing here is the fact that you have powered stabilizing jacks, both in the front and also in the rear, which means you no longer have to hand crank anything. You're simply just going to be able to push a button and have those jacks come down. So that's us right there, Beckley's Camping Center, or Beckley's RVs, located right here in Thurmont, Maryland. Now back to the tour. You have a fully walkable roof with a ladder on the rear. That's going to give you the ability to climb up top on the roof, perform any maintenance for your seals and caulking as needed. Just makes life so much easier because you don't have to bring a ladder with you. This is also pre-prepped up top there for a Voyager backup camera. So those of you that want some confidence when you're towing down the road, go ahead and get that camera installed, and that should give you all the peace of mind that you need. Now, one thing that I absolutely love about these Winnebago trailers is pretty much everything is located right in one area. Now, we'll get to that in a moment, but first I just want to point out you have an outside shower. It's going to be great for coming back from a sandy day at the beach. You'll be able to spray your feet off without getting the inside of your trailer dirty. And then right below that is a black tank flush. This is going to be a hookup for you to hook up a water hose that will help spray out the inside of your black tank, which will ultimately keep it smelling clean and also will prevent any issues with tank sensors inside. And then up front here, you're going to notice you have all of your hookups all in one central location. So all this looks good. We're going to go ahead and take a look on the inside. Okay, so now that we're inside, I must point out that the Winnebago Micro Minis are 7 feet wide. That is different compared to your traditional 8-foot wide trailer. There's plus and minuses here. The biggest positive is that this is going to be significantly easier to tow behind smaller, mid-sized SUVs. For example, you're not going to need massive towing mirrors to see all the way around your trailer. It's going to stick in nice and profiled with your towing vehicle with no problem. Versus some of those 8-foot wide trailers, they give you the luxury of having more space inside. However, they are certainly just a bit more cumbersome when it comes time for you to tow it. So now that we got that out of the way, let's start off with the floor plan. This has no slide out on here whatsoever. This is good for people that want simplicity, that want to be able to pull in the campsite and not have to mess around with too much more. Now, one of my favorite things about this floor plan is the fact that you have a table right here that is on the campsite. You've got a window that's right here, so you can get up in the morning and you can look out while you're drinking your coffee if it's pouring down rain and actually see your campsite. Whereas a lot of times you're going to put this table over here on the other side and you're going to only be able to see your neighbor's campsite through that window. So that's just one little detail I love. That's also to mention that this table folds down into a small bed. So this is perfect if you wanted to bring maybe a grandchild or one small kid with you. You got the extra space there to be able to do it. So checking out the kitchen space here, you've got a full-size stainless steel full sink bowl with a high-rise faucet that has multiple functions to it there. You've got your own windows so you can easily see outside there with no problem. I also love the fact that there are glass covers that go over top of the 3-burner cooktop that's here, because not all the time are you going to be cooking. It would be nice for you to be able to use this as prep space or additional counter space for that matter. Now you'll notice that this model does not have an oven down below, has good cabinets, but instead they give you a convection microwave up and overhead. Now everybody always wants the bigger refrigerator. Winnebago did an excellent job here. You've got a large freezer, you've got a large refrigerator for those longer trips. And then up front here, you have your main bed area, pretty self-explanatory with some overhead cabinets. At least you got windows there on both sides. And you do have some charging ports back there for either a cell phone or for those of you that may need a sleep app. Now let's turn around and we're gonna show you what the bathroom looks like. All right, so here's a different angle of this trailer. In the back, you've got your TV with a walk-in, I say walk-in, but just a storage closet that's right down below it. Got a JBL sound system in here that's inside and outside speakers. And let's go ahead and pop inside here and show you what the bathroom looks like. Toilet, got your sink, medicine cabinet. Hi, everyone. Skylight overhead for those of you that are a little taller. And then here is your shower. All right, everyone, hope you enjoyed that quick tour of the Winnebago. If you want some more details, be sure to reach out to me. Otherwise, I'm Justin at Beckley's RVs. I'm looking forward to seeing you on the next video.